What is up, my people? This your boy The Feeling, aka you can call me Jay Steezy. Here is not a G35. There's no music in here, but I want to tell y'all that this is not going to be car related. Sorry about that for all my folks. You know, I'll put out some car stuff pretty soon, but this is not going to be car related. This is going to be housework type of stuff. So maybe somebody out there that's watching this is probably interested on, doing their backyard or putting pavers or something. So I'm gonna show y'all how I'm gonna install these. I gotta level out the ground in my backyard. This is not gonna be like a professional video. There's gonna be a lot of imperfections that I'm gonna do, so it's not gonna be perfect. So y'all better not tell me, oh, you're doing this wrong, because I'm gonna do everything wrong. But hey, I ain't tripping. So I figured out something, and I was just looking at all these bricks here, pavers, whatever you call them, and one of them's cracked. That sucks. I'm sure there's gonna be a lot of other ones that are like cracked, broken, or whatever. Here's one of them here. I don't know if you guys can see that. Shit happens, y'all. So here's my backyard. A little messy, but gonna clean it up. So all this that you're looking at right here is gonna be all pavers. I'm about to get down and dirty for y'all, man. It's gonna be a short video since I haven't posted anything. So y'all stay tuned. About to level out this dirt. Like I said, it ain't gonna be perfect, but hey, I'm gonna do the best I can. Let's do it. So this is what I got so far. Looks pretty flat. So yeah, this shit's fucking tiring, guys. I mean, I love doing these type of jobs, but holy cow, this shit is tiring. It's getting there though. Had to take a quick little water break. Whew. Yo boy, boots are like super dusty. But anyways, let's get back to it. This is a lot of work, guys. Props to everybody who does this type of jobs, man. Like, for real. Y'all probably have like those bobcats and shit, but I don't. I got that Mexican shovel and that plastic snow shovel. All right, let's get back to it. Look at me, guys. I'm filthy. I'm over here looking like a burnt Mexican. Nah, I'm just kidding. I love my raza, man. Latino gang. You know what I mean? But yeah, man. Hey, let me know in the comments what kind of videos you guys want to see. You know, car related or anything. You know, I'm still trying to push myself out there, but sometimes I don't have time to make these videos. But anyways, I'm about to use this machine right here. I'm not gonna show you guys because I gotta hurry up. You know, it's pretty hot out here, and I'm gonna take a little break. So probably after this, you guys will start seeing me put the bricks or the pavers, whatever you call them, all right here. This whole section.
Yo, the feeling, this shit is ill.
So this is what I have right here. As y'all can see, there goes the pavers. I need to do all this here. The bro's helping me right now, but he ain't trying to be on camera. I think he's a little bit camera shy, but it's all good. But yeah, let's get to it. I ain't gonna show y'all, me putting them on for you. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys when like I'm around over here. So all right, let's go back to doing this. So I haven't recorded anything, guys, but this is what we got left right here. Got the pops working over here too. Look, this is what we got left right here. This is what we done so far. It's not the best. It's not leveled, like I said before. It's not the best, but we're doing this shit. So yeah, this is a quick another little video to show y'all. So, and then I'm not gonna film anything after this, but once it's done, I'll show you guys the full results. All right, let's go.
Hey, yo, the feeling, this shit is ill. Yo, the feeling, this shit is ill.
What's going on? What's going on? going on.